As one of the smallest states in the United States, Rhode Island has a lot to offer for entrepreneurs looking to start their own business. The state's business-friendly environment makes it an attractive destination for companies looking to expand their operations. One of the most popular business structures for entrepreneurs is the limited liability company, LLC. This type of business entity offers several benefits, including liability protection, flexibility in management, and tax benefits. In this guide, we will provide a step-by-step process for starting an LLC in Rhode Island, as well as an overview of the benefits of doing so. Let's discuss the benefits of starting an LLC in Rhode Island. 1. Limited liability protection. One of the most significant benefits of forming an LLC in Rhode Island is that it offers limited liability protection to its owners. This means that the personal assets of the owners, such as their homes and cars, are protected in case the LLC faces legal or financial troubles. This protection is not available to sole proprietors or general partnerships, where the business and personal assets are treated as one. 2. Flexibility in management. Another advantage of forming an LLC is the flexibility it offers in management. Unlike corporations, which have a more rigid management structure, LLCs can be managed by their owners or by a designated manager. This flexibility allows the owners to run the business in a way that suits their needs and preferences. 3. Tax benefits. LLCs in Rhode Island are not subject to corporate income tax. Instead, the profits and losses of the LLC are passed through to the individual owners and taxed at their personal income tax rate. This means that LLCs in Rhode Island are not subject to double taxation, which is a significant advantage over corporations. 4. Easy to form. Forming an LLC in Rhode Island is a relatively straightforward process. The state has a user-friendly online portal that makes it easy for entrepreneurs to file the necessary paperwork and get their business up and running quickly. If you are interested in starting an LLC in Rhode Island, the following guide will provide you with step-by-step instructions on how to do so. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. The first step in forming an LLC in Rhode Island is to choose a name for your business. The name should be unique and distinguishable from other businesses in the state. You can check the availability of your chosen name by using the Rhode Island Secretary of State's Business Name Search tool. Once you have chosen a name, you can reserve it for up to 120 days by filing a name reservation application with the Secretary of State's office. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Rhode Island law requires all LLCs to have a registered agent. The registered agent is responsible for receiving legal documents and notices on behalf of the LLC. The registered agent can be an individual who is a resident of Rhode Island, or a business that is authorized to do business in the state. Step 3. File articles of organization. The next step is to file articles of organization with the Rhode Island Secretary of State's office. The Articles of Organization is a legal document that formalizes the creation of your LLC. It includes the name of the LLC, the name and address of the registered agent, and the names and addresses of the LLC's members. You can file the Articles of Organization online using the Rhode Island Business Express portal, or you can mail a paper form to the Secretary of State's office. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. While not required by Rhode Island law, it is a good idea to create an operating agreement for your LLC. An operating agreement is a legal document that outlines the ownership structure, management, and operating procedures of your LLC. It can help prevent misunderstandings and disputes among the members of the LLC. Step 5. Obtain business licenses and permits. Depending on the type of business you plan to run, you may need to obtain business licenses and permits from the state and local governments. Rhode Island has a centralized online portal, the Rhode Island Business Portal, which provides information on the licenses and permits required for different types of businesses. Some common licenses and permits include a general business license, sales tax permit, and zoning permits. You should research the requirements for your specific business and obtain all necessary licenses and permits before starting operations. Step 6. Obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN. LLCs in Rhode Island that have more than one member or employees are required to obtain an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. The EIN is used for tax purposes and is necessary for opening a business bank account and hiring employees. You can apply for an EIN online through the IRS website. Step 7. Comply with annual filing requirements. After forming your LLC, you must comply with the annual filing requirements set forth by the Rhode Island Secretary of State's office. LLCs are required to file an annual report, which includes updated information about the LLC's members and registered agent. The annual report must be filed by November 1st each year and can be submitted online through the Rhode Island Business Express portal. In conclusion, forming an LLC in Rhode Island offers several benefits for entrepreneurs looking to start a business. Limited liability protection, flexibility in management, and tax benefits are just a few of the advantages of forming an LLC. The process of forming an LLC in Rhode Island is straightforward and can be completed online through the Rhode Island Business Express portal. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can start your own LLC in Rhode Island and take advantage of the state's business-friendly environment. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.